It's Alexis here, and today we're playing with the slime app. We're not going to do the relaxed sound, we're just going to do the slime and the food. Okay, that's Filthy. But the actual name is called Anxiety Relief and Anti-Stress. Anyway, this is the soft pink slime. Wait, let me show you my favourite slimes. I don't really like the slow motion ones. I like the ones that move very fast. Like this one. Rainbow. I love this one. And Bouncing Beach is very satisfying too. And Glimming Glow. Lovely Liquid. I love Lovely Liquid. I think it's my second favourite slime. I think so. And there's Grainy Greatness. Oh, and I love this one, Incredible Ink. Do you know how when we do it there, it gets there? Because it goes through and comes out of there. So if we do this, there will be a bunch. Lake of Lava, I love this one. Bloody Blue. Wavy Winter. Fading Forms. I really want to get to the fluids. I really like Creative Canvas. Disturbing Details, I do really love this one. This is my favourite one, Jittery Jello. It goes like this. Silky Smooth. Jittery Jello. And then it turns from Jittery Jello to Silky Smooth. Molten Metal. Wobbly World. Okay, this is my second favourite one. Dimension of Depth. Okay, I don't think we're going to do the other slow motion ones, but we will do Fluid. Okay, Filthy again. Okay, let me just show you my favourite liquid. It's the Magic Mirror. Maybe I'll turn the touch sound off. Look how cool this is. It's just reflecting. Wow. Magic Mirror is so cool. If I just tap in the middle like this, wow. There's super smoke. Let me just turn. Okay, Tamagu. And no, I don't want to set one as wallpaper. Just want to do this auto next so we have infinite time. You would not believe, live fireflies, uniquely unreal. Wizard Wand, blinking beauty, earthy elements, random remarkability, gravity game. I really like this one. Glorious galleries, trippy tint. Girls game. I think I set. Okay, I changed it, but I actually had this one as my wallpaper. Magic Trail by Tony. So there's Magic Trail by Tony. Floating Flames. Calm Christmas. This would be great for Christmas, actually. Exotic Edge. Wonderful Waves. It's like a brain. Wow. And there's this one. These ones look extremely satisfying. Like if we just tap it, it will go like this. But if you swipe a little bit, then it'll be like that. Are you serious? It'll be like this little thing if you swipe. If you touch, it will make this. Wow, this is so cool. Flashy Fluids. Dancing DNA. Look how cool this is. Tangling Trails. My brother Chris introduced me to this one. Wait. Blinding Bliss. fire and flame. Okay. Complex cells. Wait. Electrifying experience. Complex cells. Fantasy fireworks. Peaceful pond. Cosmic charm. And then we're back to my favorite. What a beautiful pattern. I should take a photo. Anyway, I think that is all. I mean, we may as well just look at... Okay. So those are sounds. Like and sub if you want to install this app. And if you do want to install this app, then it's ASMR Slime Simulator. Like and sub.